He probably told the other frog to stand around me, don't make no sound.
Come on. You know you wanna. Buddy's calling.
It's a hot chick.
Come on. Come on, you can do it. All right.
Oh.
See, that was it. It was a hot chick. She got frog legs though.
Oh, there she goes.
Frog legs.
So I can't believe it. I still can't believe this one. You shouldn't believe you.
I know.
Oh, he's all warmed up now.
But he does kid around, so.
Well, yeah.
Don't you know my serious face now? Okay, maybe not.
I believe that you thought that it was a tree frog, but I was like, tree frog in New York?
No, Josh. I believe
Okay.
him because he's a nature
Yeah.
guy.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
He lives by the land. Like his garden, he's got a big garden in the back there.
Oh, I scared him.
Oh, he just took off?
Oh, there he is.
Well, he's behind the wire, isn't he? Yeah. See him right there?
I don't see him
And the
moving.
wire on the left?
I jumped.
Uh-oh. The
I
attack
think
frog.
they typically attack people, so I think
Yeah.
they're safe.
Oh, I know. I just